Hello everybody and welcome back. So today for a change we are going to learn about few fun facts. As you can see, it's written science is fun, and yes, it is indeed very much fun. So we're going to learn few fun facts related to science. So come on now, let's get started. Now, out of all the planets in the solar system, Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. Remember this. Now, the second fun fact says, human gets a little taller in space because there is no gravity pulling down on them. So, when the astronauts go up in the space, they become little taller because there is no gravity pulling down on them. The third fact says a shrimp's heart is in its head. Now shrimp is an animal. Okay, now this is a special kind of an animal. We all have a heart inside our chest, but shrimp is having the heart in the head. We have brain in our head, but shrimp is having heart in the head. Now did you know? Let's see few more fun facts. Man wrapped nature with plastic. Now nature is hitting back by wrapping man in plastic. So it's a big thought. We should avoid using plastic. Now see, this is something very interesting. Okay, our fingers get wrinkly in water because wrinkled fingers would give us stronger grip on slippery objects underwater. Now when we stay in water for a long time, and you must have observed when you take a bath for a longer time or when you swim in the water for long, what happens to your fingers? It becomes little wrinkly. Okay, now why we are getting wrinkly on the fingers? Why it's becoming wrinkled finger? Because it is giving us stronger grip to hold the object. If the wrinkles wouldn't have come, there won't be any stronger grip, and the objects, if you try to hold it under the water, it will slip from your hand. So wrinkled fingers give us stronger grip. Now see, this is a picture of a ship. Now looking at this picture, we can see that this ship is looking a little different than the normal ship that we see. Now what is the reason? This sheep ran away and hid in a cave just to avoid shearing. When it was found after 6 years, it looked like this. See, now this sheep was not reared for 6 years. So that is why all the wool has grown on its body and the ship is covered with all the wool and it's looking like this. Now eyes on this, more interesting facts are on the way to blow away your mind. This is what Earth would look like without water. Save water before it turns into dead planet. If you see the normal globe, we can see the water and the tree. That means the blue and the green color on the globe. But if there is no water, it will look like a ball of cement. That means it will become a dead planet, and it's our responsibility to save water. So please save water. Now see, a whole orange will float on water, but a peeled orange will sink in water. Now what is the reason? When the orange is a whole fruit, so the distance between the skin of the orange and the fruit of the orange is being occupied by a little air sac. So that is the reason the orange will float on water. But if you peel the orange, there is no distance, there is no air sac between the skin and the fruit. So that's the reason the peeled orange will sink in the water. Now see, health benefits of walking every day. So we should walk every day because it improves our immunity system. Our heart becomes more active, we become active, and it's very good for our health. It helps us to maintain healthy weight. It improves our mood. It fights depression. So walk, walk, walk. If you want to go to a short distance, avoid taking your scooty or bike. It's better you walk. Now fact check. More facts are on the way. Why too much sugar is bad? If you keep on eating lots of sweets every day, what will happen? You will gain weight. Okay? Then you may have acne, that is pimples. Your skin will look more aging. Your energy will be drained off. There are more chances of heart diseases and you may fall into depression. So that is why avoid eating lots of sugar. Little sugar is okay. Limited sugar is okay, but do not overeat sugary things. Now, did you know? When you eat 4 almonds per day, what happens to your body? It lowers your cholesterol level, it improves your hair health, it prevents heart diseases, it helps in the weight loss, it improves your brain function. So that is why you should eat 4 almonds every day. It's very nice. Now cucumber are 90% water. They help us to dissolve the kidney stone. They help to fight with the cancer cells. It also helps to regulate your blood pressure, rehydrates the body, relieves headaches and promotes healthy skin. So cucumbers are very healthy. Now summer season is going to come. So you can make use of this season by eating lots of cucumber. It will help you to stay healthy. Facts. More facts are on the way. Now, bacteria that causes tooth decay, acne, tuberculosis, pneumonia and leprosy can be killed by eating cashew nuts, which are actually seeds. So, cashew nuts are very healthy. Other than eating almonds and cucumber, make it a point that you eat cashew nuts as well. Now, did you know the Titanoboa snake lived about 60 to 50 million years ago and is the largest, longest and heaviest snake ever discovered? Titanoboa, remember the name. Now, an octopus with 96 tentacles was caught in Japan in 2008. 96 tentacles, my god, that's too much, and it was found in Japan. Remember the year 2008. I hope children you have enjoyed all these fun facts. Thank you so much.